I feel like this bag does not need a major introduction because we all know North Face, and if you don't, where have you been? This is in my opinion, one of the best brands out there, especially in a bag. You know that it's going to be durable, it's going to be waterproof. My husband just reminded me, like, people bring these up to the top of Everest, and I'm like, yeah, they do. So yeah, really sturdy, really heavy duty. So this is really great, obviously for everyday use or even just for backpacking. The reason I say everyday use is because this one right here has your typical laptop slot back here. So I'll just go ahead and show you that. And the nice thing is you can't tell, but this is like really hard. So this is going to keep your laptop nice and safe because you're gonna have that. Oh, here, you can hear that. It is actually legitimately hard. So of course, when your case is in there, it's not gonna get slammed around or anything like that, which is super nice. And then you have your main pocket here. Oh, so this is not your main pocket. This is just kind of like that front little pocket. Obviously, this is where like I throw my keys, my phone, my wallet. This is like your easy access one. I do like that you have the zipper in here too. So of course, if you want to, and it's got like the little, carabiner here for your keys, so you can just kind of pop them in there and forget about them and zip up anything that you don't want sliding around, which is great. But then the main zipper, see, so many pockets, I couldn't find it at first. This is your main one right here. So you've got lots of space inside there, just depending on what you are using it for. As I said, everyday use, or like, it's not one of those super big ones that expands. This is not something that I would use. I mean, not something I would use because I am an overpacker. A lot of people could definitely use this for like a long weekend, but me, I need more space than that. But anyways, I think it's great, you know, just to put like, obviously, you know, a change of clothes in here, or if you're going hiking, you know, making sure you're having your raincoat and all that stuff, water bottle. Speaking of water bottle, you do of course have the water bottle slot here on the side. And then you have all of these here, which I absolutely love. This is really great if you do have like a wet raincoat, you don't want to put it inside, you could shove it underneath here, and you do have the little pull tab here so that it will make it nice and tight. You can obviously, I've seen a lot of people put their shoes in here as well, just so that they're not dirty inside their bag. And then over here on this side, of course, you know, you definitely have this little piece here that helps you just kind of help with the weight. You also have the one that can go around your waist. So just if you're carrying something really heavy on your back, that can just kind of help distribute the weight so it's not too tough. And then this right here, so even though this is where your laptop is, where it's hard, you do have, look at this really great cushion right here. So you're gonna have that nice comfortable, I was gonna say comfortableness, but you're gonna have this really nice foam up against your back, so that's going to feel really nice. So yeah, honestly, North Face, definitely not a stranger to them. Great bag.